A man in Nebraska's ICE detention facility is suing federal leaders, arguing he's been illegally denied a bond hearing.
The ACLU of Nebraska filed that lawsuit on behalf of Carlos Chang. KETV Newswatch 7's Aaron Hagerty breaks down the allegations. Aaron.
Yeah, Julie, Bill, the American Civil Liberties Union of Nebraska says Carlos Chang is a Guatemalan citizen who is living in Des Moines and had been in the U.S. for more than 2 decades. He was detained in early December and is now being held at the McCook Detention Facility, the ACLU says. The facility is operated by the Nebraska Department of Corrections under an agreement with the federal government. The ACLU says Chang's case is far from unique. The court filing says that last year the Trump administration changed interpretation of immigration policy to mean that all immigrants who entered the U.S. illegally are subject to a mandatory detention and not eligible for a bond. But a federal court ruled last month that's improper. Still, the ACLU of Nebraska says Chang is one of hundreds suing to fight for a chance to be released.
I think the biggest thing is that the way that immigration law is currently being discussed in this country is painting that everyone being detained, is a criminal, a danger to society, hasn't been here very long. And that's simply not true. As we're seeing in this case and all of the habeas cases I've filed in this past year, that these are individuals who care deeply about their families, their communities, their loved one, the experiences that they have had, and have lived here for decades.
Grant Friedman there also told me mandatory detention can apply to cases such as those with significant criminal history or those who were detained soon after crossing the border, but he says that's not the case here. I reached out for comment to the Department of Homeland Security, Nebraska Corrections, and the governor's office. I have not received a response yet. When I do, I'll share that in this story on KETV.com.